Hi traders and welcome to the PL Capital Weekly Market Outlook. I'm your host Paul. In this video we'll look at the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Russell. So let's start. All right, we'll start with the upcoming economic calendar. Not a huge amount of data points coming out this week. Got building permits on Tuesday, but the big day will be Wednesday when the Fed has their interest rate decision. Consensus is that we stay where we're at, no raise this month. So I can see that actually giving the market a bounce up when that comes out, but I think that'll quickly get sold off. Thursday we got Philly Fed manufacturing, and Friday you got some PMI numbers coming out, but nothing major that's going to move the markets a lot. It'll be just FOMC. So just be ready for Wednesday. All right, let's go on to the chart. All right, going to start with the S&P. This is the future contract, 4-hour chart. And I was starting to wonder when they really started pushing up Wednesday and Thursday if this was maybe the low, but today we got the answer. So as I've been saying, I didn't think that this could all just be the correction. I think that was just A, and then we had this A, B, C, and then they'll come down in 5 ways. So I think this was one, and then they created an ABC there, 2, and then sold off hard today. So, and we broke that pivot down there. So I think 3 is in progress right now. You know, it's obviously on a lower time frame. It's massively oversold. So I at some point, I think I actually when I drill down, I think it's got just a little bit more down to go to complete 5 waves. So that'll just be the A wave. And then at some point, you get some type of correction, and I think that's why that sets up nicely, with Wednesday coming FOMC. I think if they don't do a interest rate hike, I think the market will buy that up, but that'll just be part of the correction for down for the third wave. So we'll see exactly where this this wave might actually come and break that low first, but we'll see. But I think if you weren't already in the sell, you'll get another opportunity. You just got to let this correction play out, and then it'll sell off and then come down for 3, and then you get a 4 and a 5, and we'll come and take out this 43.97 low. All right, Nasdaq, pretty much exactly the same thing. We had an ABC down, ABC up, and then here's 1, 2, 3. That was 1, and now you had a 1, 2, 3. They just barely broke that. There's an ABC for 2, and then a strong sell-off, and they almost came and took out that 15,352 low of 1. And if I'm looking at it right, they this, for 5 ways they still need to come down farther. So I think they'll probably break that Sunday night, maybe into Monday. They'll break that low for the first impulse down of the third wave, and then give you that correction, just like on the S&P. And I think that lines up well with happening like on Wednesday, and then they'll sell off and come down somewhere for the third wave, and before they go up for a 4 and come back down for 5. So more down, and just you could keep playing these ways individually, or just if you're into shorting, just kind of sell. This will be a really good place to target when they come up for this wave, because then you can sell there and just write it all the way down. And the Russell, yeah, pretty much the same thing. So you had three waves down to there and then three waves up to there, and now you got a 1 and a 2, and I expect them to keep selling off. Take out that 1832 low. Now, because that's 1 and that's 2, I think 3, 4, and 5 are going to be coming down real low. But I don't expect them to break 1703. I think this 5 wave will be this big ABC correction for one more up. But we'll have to see where this third wave finishes, how strong they sell it off, to see how close they get to that 1703 low. So in all the markets, I just see more downside. Going to complete this C wave of the correction before it resumes up. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Good luck to you. See you in the next video.